Are you tired of feeling bloated and uncomfortable after meals? Today, we're diving into a topic that's crucial for your health, and that's your gut health. You see it everywhere. Heal your gut, improve your life. And it's true. A healthy gut is linked to everything from better digestion and immunity to even your mood. That's because your gut is home to trillions of bacteria that play a huge role in your overall health. But there are certain foods out there that can wreak havoc on your gut, leading to inflammation, bloating, and a whole host of digestive issues. We'll be discussing the 7 worst foods for your gut and why you should avoid them for better digestion. I bet you didn't know how harmful fried foods can be for your gut. Fried foods, your gut's worst nightmare. Let's talk about everyone's favorite, fried foods. We're talking French fries, fried chicken, onion rings, you name it. As delicious as they are, they're loaded with unhealthy fats that are tough on your digestive system. These greasy foods slow down digestion, meaning they sit in your stomach longer, often leading to that uncomfortable, bloated feeling, but it doesn't stop there. The high fat content in fried foods can actually change the composition of your gut bacteria. This imbalance can lead to an overgrowth of harmful bacteria, further disrupting your gut's delicate ecosystem. And remember inflammation? Fried foods are notorious for promoting inflammation throughout the body, including your gut. This can exacerbate existing gut issues like irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, and make symptoms even worse. Now, I'm not saying you can never enjoy fried foods again, but moderation is key here. If you're struggling with digestive problems, cutting back on fried foods can make a world of difference. Instead, focus on incorporating healthier cooking methods like baking, grilling, or steaming into your routine. Your gut will thank you for it. Remember, your gut health is foundational to your overall well-being. Making conscious food choices is a powerful step towards a healthier and happier you. You need to hear this if you're a fan of processed meats. Think bacon, sausage, hot dogs, those tasty but not so gut-friendly foods. Here's the deal. Processed meats are often high in saturated fat and sodium, both of which can negatively impact your gut health. High sodium intake, for example, can disrupt the balance of good bacteria in your gut, making you more susceptible to digestive problems. But one of the biggest issues with processed meats is the presence of nitrates and nitrites. These are preservatives used to extend shelf life and enhance flavor, but they can be harmful to your gut. When nitrates break down in your digestive system, they can form compounds called nitrosamines, which have been linked to an increased risk of certain cancers, including colorectal cancer. Additionally, processed meats are often low in fiber, a crucial nutrient for maintaining a healthy gut. Fiber acts like a prebiotic, feeding the good bacteria in your gut and promoting regular bowel movements. So by limiting processed meats, you're not only reducing your intake of potentially harmful substances, but also making room for more gut-healthy foods in your diet. Swap those processed meats for healthier protein sources like fish, poultry, beans, or lentils. Your gut will thank you for it. Remember, making small, sustainable changes to your diet can have a big impact on your gut health and overall well-being. Are you unknowingly harming your gut with sugar substitutes? Let's talk about those sneaky sugar substitutes, artificial sweeteners. They're often marketed as healthier alternatives to sugar, but when it comes to your gut, they can do more harm than good. Artificial sweeteners are found in a wide range of diet foods and drinks, from sodas and juices to desserts and even some yogurts. While they may be low in calories, they can wreak havoc on your gut bacteria. Studies have shown that artificial sweeteners can disrupt the balance of gut bacteria, leading to an overgrowth of harmful bacteria and a decrease in beneficial bacteria. This imbalance can contribute to a range of digestive issues, including bloating, gas, and even diarrhea. Furthermore, artificial sweeteners can interfere with the way your body metabolizes sugar. This can lead to insulin resistance, a condition where your body doesn't respond to insulin as effectively as it should, increasing your risk of type 2 diabetes and other metabolic disorders. So, while you might think you're making a healthy choice by opting for artificial sweeteners, you could actually be harming your gut health in the long run. Instead of relying on artificial sweeteners, try to reduce your overall sugar intake. Focus on incorporating naturally sweet foods like fruits, vegetables, and unsweetened beverages into your diet. Remember, your gut health is about more than just avoiding digestive discomfort. It's about nourishing your body with the right foods to support overall health and well-being. You need to watch this if you struggle with digestive issues. Dairy. It's a staple in many diets, but for some, it can cause digestive distress. Dairy products can be a good source of calcium and protein, but problematic if you're lactose intolerant. Lactose intolerance is when your body can't digest lactose, a sugar in milk. This happens when your small intestine doesn't produce enough lactase enzyme. Symptoms include bloating, gas, diarrhea, and cramps. Consult your doctor if you experience these symptoms after consuming dairy. Even if not lactose intolerant, dairy can still cause gut issues for some. Dairy contains casein protein, which can be hard to digest. High-fat or processed dairy can be inflammatory to the gut. Try eliminating dairy to see if symptoms improve. Experiment with lactose-free or plant-based milk alternatives. Listen to your body to maintain a healthy gut. I don't think people understand the impact of gluten on their gut health. Gluten has become a hot topic in recent years, and for good reason. While gluten is perfectly safe for most people, it can cause serious health problems for those with celiac disease or gluten sensitivity. Celiac disease is an autoimmune disorder where consuming gluten triggers an immune response that damages the lining of your small intestine. This damage can lead to nutrient deficiencies, digestive problems, and other serious health issues. Gluten sensitivity, also known as non-celiac gluten sensitivity, is a condition where consuming gluten causes symptoms like bloating, gas, diarrhea, and abdominal pain, but without the intestinal damage seen in celiac disease. The tricky thing about gluten is that it's found in a wide range of foods, including bread, pasta, cereal, and many processed foods. So if you're experiencing gut issues, it's important to be aware of the potential impact of gluten. If you suspect that you may have celiac disease or gluten sensitivity, it's crucial to talk to your doctor about getting tested. Self-diagnosing and eliminating gluten from your diet without proper testing can make it difficult to get an accurate diagnosis. If you are diagnosed with celiac disease or gluten sensitivity, following a strict gluten-free diet is essential for managing your symptoms and preventing long-term health complications. Remember, while gluten is a concern for some, it's not necessary to avoid it completely unless you have a medical reason to do so. Am I the only one that didn't know how much damage fizzy drinks can do to your gut? But those bubbly beverages, whether they're sugar-sweetened sodas or diet versions, can spell trouble for your gut. The main culprit here is carbonation. Those gas bubbles can lead to bloating, gas, and that uncomfortably full feeling in your stomach. Think about it. The bubbles have to go somewhere, and often that means expanding in your digestive tract. But it's not just the carbonation that's the problem. Sugary sodas are loaded with, well, sugar, and as we discussed earlier, excess sugar can disrupt the balance of your gut bacteria, feeding the harmful bacteria and allowing them to flourish. This can lead to an overgrowth of bad bacteria, further contributing to digestive discomfort and other health issues. Diet sodas might seem like a better alternative, but as we learned earlier, artificial sweeteners can be just as damaging to your gut health. They can disrupt the balance of your gut bacteria and interfere with your body's ability to regulate blood sugar levels. So whether it's regular or diet, those carbonated drinks are best enjoyed sparingly. Instead, opt for water, unsweetened tea, or infused water with fruits and herbs for a refreshing and gut-friendly alternative. Remember, making small changes to your beverage choices can make a big difference in your gut health and overall well-being. You need to watch this if you struggle with gut issues. Navigating the fine line between healthy fats and gut trouble. In fact, our bodies need healthy fats to function properly. However, certain types of high-fat foods can be problematic for your gut. We're talking about those greasy, fatty foods that are often high in saturated and trans fats. Think fast food burgers, fried chicken, and processed snacks. These types of fats are harder for your body to digest and can slow down digestion, leading to that sluggish feeling and potentially contributing to constipation. Moreover, high intakes of saturated and trans fats have been linked to inflammation in the body, including the gut. This inflammation can exacerbate existing gut issues and increase your risk of developing more serious problems down the line. But remember, healthy fats are your friends. Unsaturated fats found in foods like avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil are beneficial for your heart health, brain function, and even your gut. These healthy fats can help to lubricate your digestive tract, promoting regular bowel movements and preventing constipation. They can also help to reduce inflammation in the gut and support the growth of beneficial bacteria. So when it comes to fat, it's all about choosing wisely. Focus on incorporating healthy fats into your diet while limiting your intake of saturated and trans fats. Remember, a balanced approach to fat consumption is key to maintaining a healthy gut and overall well-being. I bet you didn't know how much these foods can harm your gut. Conclusion. By limiting these foods and replacing them with gut-healthy alternatives, you'll be well on your way to a happier, healthier digestive system. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more health tips. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or if there's a topic you'd like us to cover next.